Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Deen, Roots of Religion. Kids, do you know that there are 5 roots of religion?
Yes, teacher, I know, and we must believe in them.
Our first Asool Deen is Tawheed. Do you know what does Tawheed mean?
Yes, I know. It means there is no God but Allah, and He is one and only one. He has no companions. He is neither born by anyone, nor anyone is born by Him.
But how is it possible?
He has neither been born nor created by anyone. That is why He is the real God and has created everything. Second Asool Deen is Adl. What does it mean?
It means Allah is always fair. If it sometimes seems like He is not fair, this is because of our limited knowledge.
Our third belief in Asool Deen is Nabuwat. Prophet or Nabi in Islam means the one who is sent by Allah to guide us. Do you know what does Nabuwat mean?
It means Allah has sent 124,000 prophets to guide us, and we believe in all of them. The first prophet was Prophet Adam alayhi salam, and the last prophet was Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam.
Our fourth Asool Deen is Imamat. Do you know what does it mean?
It means Imams are the leaders sent by Allah who guide us after the death of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. The Imams are 12. The first Imam is Imam Ali alayhi salam. The last Imam is Imam al-Mahdi alayhi salam, who is our present Imam and is still living. May Allah protect him.
Our fifth Asool Deen is Qiyamah. Qiyamah or Ma'ad means the day of judgment. Whatever good or bad deeds we do, we are accountable for them in front of Allah. On the day of judgment, the day of Qiyamah, we will be rewarded for our good deeds and we will be punished for our bad deeds.